There's a lot of stuff out there on the internet about why your back pain may return after bad PT. And I'm not going to touch that with a 10-foot pole. In fact, many of my clients are referred to me by excellent physicians and physical therapists who give superior care. They clear their patients to exercise with me and send them to me to continue their progress. And sometimes clients share with me that they're very frustrated when mere weeks after discharge from a good physical therapy program, their back pain returns. So they return to their healthcare provider just to make sure there's no new diagnosis or anything, and maybe even had some films made, X-ray, MRI, but there's nothing on there to help her explain your pain. No diagnosis, frustrating. Now, at this point, you might try any number of different interventions, acupuncture, massage, maybe even hire a personal trainer, and you get differing amounts of relief, but it's temporary. There's actually a good reason for this, but before we get into that, here's the disclaimer. The reason your pain returns is that although you've addressed and probably successfully healed the injury that you went to PT with, whether it was like a minor bulging disc or maybe a disc herniation or even a muscle strain, you have not finished retraining the faulty movement patterns that created the injury in the first place. It's kind of like this. Imagine that for the last few years, your favorite route to work has been unavailable because they've been rebuilding a bridge there. They've been replacing a bridge. And so you've had to use an alternate route that is longer and tends to get choked up with traffic. Painful, right? See what I did there? So you use this alternate route and you try everything to make it easier. You get a faster car. You even put premium gas in the tank. But the fact of the matter is, the alternate route is always longer and it always takes you longer to get to work because of it. Now, a couple of years go by and suddenly your ideal route opens back up. The bridge is remade and it's ready to go. And now you can seamlessly, efficiently, and quickly get to work, no matter how fast your car is or what kind of gas you put in the tank. However, just like driving a new route, when you retrain faulty movement patterns in your nervous system, you still have the ingrained habit, which is in your brain, to go back to the old way of doing things. So for a while anyway, you have to be very deliberate about choosing the new and better route, right? You have to practice it over and over again, because if you let yourself go on autopilot, you might turn the wrong way and go down the alternate route. So retraining faulty movement patterns is a lot like that. The tricky part is that we're talking about human movement here. And so it's really not enough to just continue to practice your physical therapy exercises and hope that you will continuously retrain better, more efficient movement. What you need is a progressive plan that helps you to continue to get more mobility and flexibility in your stiff places and build more stability and control along your spine. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can do just that, then check out the description below this video. There's a link there where you can save your seat for my upcoming free live online workshop, Unlocking Low Back Pain with Movement. Click on that link to save your seat, and I'll see you there.